about this now, there are divisions, like there are levels to these things. Remember that all this we are not talking about is the that's the now. There are levels to this now. Now they now have so many kinds or types of this now. We have ahaka. This ahaka stands for proper noun. It is the proper noun. We will talk about it. Now we have the ahizugbe. Ahizugbe is common noun. We have the ahuche. Aha uche. We also have the ahigwe. We have ahankowa. We have ahankuwa. Now, one distinctive thing you should bear in mind when we are talking about this Nkejiasusu is that under the noun, the aha is the bigger Nkejiasusu, the bigger. Why the ahaka, ahizube, ahihe, ahuche, ahigwe, and the other ahas, they are the smaller Nkejiasusu. They are following the now. Now, when you're talking about the ahaka simply means the name of a person. When you see, like, let's say there is a lady coming, her name is Nkejiasusu. Let's say you have a sister and her name is Nkejiasusu. When she's coming back home and you say Nkejiasusu nabia, everybody knows that you're talking about who? Nkejiasusu. Everybody knows who you are talking about. I mean, everybody in the family. That is the ahaka there for you. Ahaka bo aha ejimara madu. Another type of this aha that I mentioned is ahizube. This ahizube bo, that is common noun. This ahizube bo aha ejimara ihe. Anything you mention, everybody knows what you're talking about. We have like oche, share, oche. We have ekwenti, that's phone. We have obala, that's car. We have ubenu, that's aeroplane or helicopter, anyone. That is ahaihe. Then when you're talking about, we have the ahuche. This ahuche we are talking about. Mgbe na-ekwu ahuche a, ọ bụghị ihe a na-ahụ anya ma ihe a na-arụtụ aka, ihe nwere ike ịrụtụ aka ka a na-ekwu okwu ya. Ọ bụrụ ihe ị ga-atụ aka si lee ihe m na-ekwu, kama ọ bụ ihe ọbụla bụ ihe ịkpọ ya ahụ mmadụ ewere uche ya mata ihe ị na-ekwu maka ya. Ọmụmaatụ, an example of this ahuche is we have amamihe, wisdom. When you're talking about this wisdom, when you mention wisdom, everybody around knows what you're talking about, but we can't see it. It is invisible. We also have an example like ehonanya, love. When you're talking about this love, where is not seen, but we know what you're talking about. Another aha we know is the ahigwe. When you're talking about this ahigwe simply means things that have been brought together but they have a name. For example, obaji, ban. Obaji, you brought different yam together. Instead of you to say jimbo, jiabo, third yam, fourth yam, fifth yam, you just call it ban. When you call ban, we all know that you're talking about getting a ban of yam. Another example here, we have plantain and palm oil plantation, obonku. When you're talking about obonku, we already know that you're talking about palm fruits or palm oil plantation. You're talking about the palm tree there. Instead of you to be mentioning it one after the other, okay. These are the types of the waha. Quickly remember that I told you that we have different types of the Nkejiasusu and Nkejiasusu, yes. And this waha we treated today is one of it. On our next video, we'll be looking at the Nnochiaha, that is the pronoun. And if time permits, we can also go through the Ngwa, that is the verb. this is what we'll do till the end of this, to the end, where we'll list and explain different types of this Nkejiasusu, that's parts of speech. Okay, quickly like, follow, subscribe, and follow us up as to bring more exciting moments to you. Thank you. I love you. Bye bye. Kisses.